Okay. That's just a little on the sappy side.
Those early years were lots of fun. The team unfolds.
I thought there were interviews, but there are no interviews. However, it's still extremely cool. There we have Memorial Stadium, 33rd Street, Baltimore. The Earl of Baltimore is Earl Weaver, a legendary manager of the best damn team in baseball. And if anyone is wondering why they were the best team in baseball back then, it's because no one examined the game like the Orioles did. This is before free agency. The Orioles had the best farm system. They had the best training. They had the best fundamentals. They had the best execution. And that's why they were the best team. That's before free agency and money entered the picture and made a difference. Then baseball changed forever. And it's still wonderful, but it's not what it was. But I digress.